Hello, I am Missing and I'll be talking about the human brain structure and functions. This is the human brain. The brain is the main coordinating center in the human body. It is present in a bony box called the cranium. The outer lining here is the cranium. The inside part is the brain. Now we'll talk about how the brain is protected. The brain is covered by a fluid-filled layered membrane called meninges, which protects the brain from mechanical shock. This is the meninges. Now we'll talk about how the human brain is divided. The forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. Now the forebrain, the specified tasks on forebrains are hearing, smell, sight, and speech. Now we'll talk about the thinking part of the brain, the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the largest part of the forebrain. It's divided into two halves called the cerebral hemispheres, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. The function of the cerebellum is thinking, memory, and intelligence. Now we'll talk about the three main regions. Sensory region, which receives sensory impulse from receptors. Associative area, which receives sensory information and interprets it by putting it together with information from other receptors and with the information that is already stored in the brain. Based on this decision, it takes a decision and passes it to the motor area. Motor area receives message from association area and passes it to the effector organs, muscle or gland. Now we'll talk about the midbrain. The midbrain controls our reflexes, both spinal and cerebral. It controls involuntary actions like movement of head due to auditory and visual stimuli, change in the size of the pupil. Now we'll talk about the hindbrain. The hindbrain consists of three parts. First being the cerebellum, which controls balance and posture. Second being pons, which control respiration. And final one being medulla, which controls involuntary actions. That is all from me. Thank you.